How to Keto Diet. Whether it's running kids from school to soccer practice or putting in long days at the office, life is complicated, and these complications may make it difficult to find time to take care of yourself. Sometimes it seems easier to let things slide. After all, you have better things to do, right? But putting your health on the back burner will only add to complications down the line. So what are you waiting for to take control of your health now? But wait, you say. I've tried every fad diet out there, and it has only left me feeling hungry and miserable. But it doesn't have to be this way. It's time to try the keto diet. Arguably one of the most popular lifestyle diets today, the keto diet has gained popularity among everyone from celebrities to stay-at-home moms. In fact, more than 30 scientific studies from leading institutions show that the keto diet is more effective for weight loss than any other low-carb diet. But what exactly is the keto diet? The keto diet, also known as the ketogenic diet, is a low-carb, high-fat diet that involves drastically reducing the intake of carbohydrates and replacing it with fat. Similar in concept to diets like Atkins, the keto diet works by throwing your body into a metabolic state called ketosis. What is ketosis? Ketosis is a natural metabolic state that involves the body producing ketones out of fat and using them as energy instead of carbs. Due to the body's ability to efficiently burn fat while in ketosis, a keto diet can cause massive reductions in blood sugar and insulin levels, leading to weight loss and numerous other benefits, including lowering risk of hypertension, diabetes, increasing good cholesterol, and reducing belly fat. Yep, that's right. Say goodbye to those love handles for good. What are the benefits of the keto diet? You will never go hungry again. While there are many low-carb diets that promote similar benefits, the keto diet is more of a supercharged low-carb diet that uses ketosis to turn your body into a fat-burning machine. Unlike other diets that make you practically starve yourself, leading to the inevitable binge, the keto diet allows you to feel satiated, giving you control over your appetite. This makes it easier to eat less and lose excess weight. Just wait until you're hungry before you eat. Thanks to keto, food can help stop being the enemy and become your friend. Control your blood sugar. Millions of Americans suffer from complications associated with diabetes. Because the keto diet helps control blood sugar levels, it is excellent for managing type 2 diabetes, and in some cases, the keto diet can help reverse the disease. Decrease your risk of heart disease. Did you know that the keto diet can help treat high blood pressure? There are many studies showing that low-carb diets improve several important risk factors for heart disease, including lowering cholesterol. Ease stomach problems. The keto diet can result in a calmer stomach, fewer gas, fewer cramps and pains, often resulting in improvements in IBS symptoms. Increase your energy. By improving your access to the vast amounts of energy from your fat stores, ketosis can increase your physical endurance. The body's supply of stored carbohydrates only lasts for a couple of hours, but your fat stores carry enough energy to potentially last for weeks. Ready to get started? Follow these 6 steps to transform your mind and body. Step 1. Restrict carbohydrates. Like any diet, the 80% is about what you eat. To stay in ketosis, aim to eat only 20 grams of net carbs each day. Now before you scream, 20 grams of carbs a day? Won't I starve? Take a deep breath. Unlike comparable diet programs like Atkins, you will not go hungry on keto. Luckily, counting carbs is real easy. Just subtract the fiber from total net carbs and voila! Step 2. Restrict protein. But be careful not to overindulge. Too much protein in the body can convert into glucose, thus stopping your body from staying in ketosis, a big no-no. Not sure how much protein is too much? Just follow this rule of thumb: 1.5 gram of protein per day per kg of body weight. Step 3. Eat enough fat to feel satisfied. By adding some healthy fats like avocados and olive oil to every meal, you will feel completely satisfied. Say bye-bye to those hunger pangs. Also, be sure to include foods high in fiber to avoid tummy troubles. Step 4. Avoid snacking when not hungry. Eating more often than you need, just eating for fun and because there's food around, reduces ketosis and slows down weight loss. Step 5. Get moving. Whether it's Pilates or kickboxing, or even going for an evening stroll, adding any kind of physical activity while in ketosis can increase ketone levels moderately. Step 6. Get some sleep. For most people, at least 7 hours per night on average, and keep stress under control. Sleep deprivation and stress hormones raise blood sugar levels, slowing ketosis and weight loss a bit. Are there side effects? Poor energy and mental function, increased hunger, sleep issues, nausea, digestive discomfort, and decreased exercise performance are all common symptoms of what is known as the keto flu. In order to combat this, we recommend bumping up your intake to 50 net carbs per day at first to teach your body to burn more fat before you completely eliminate carbs. How do you know that you are in ketosis? It's possible to measure it by testing urine, blood, or breath samples. But there are also telltale symptoms that require no testing. They are dry mouth and increased thirst, increased urination, keto breath, reduced hunger, possible increased energy. Changing your lifestyle can be overwhelming, but the results are worth it. Stay tuned to How to Fitness for more helpful and informative videos. If you like this video, be sure to click on the subscribe button below and click the bell icon to be notified every time we post. And let us know how the keto diet is going for you. Or list any tips you have to avoid the dreaded keto flu in the comments below.